Just look at this web app. The colors, the vibe, the animations, the gradients, and the overall design look absolutely incredible. At first glance, you might think this is just another beautiful front end, but here's the crazy part. Users can actually sign up, log in, book tickets, upload their ID cards for verification, manage their profiles, and access their bookings. On top of that, there's even a complete admin dashboard where organizers can manage attendees, review ID verifications, track ticket sales, and control the entire event from one place. This isn't just a landing page. This isn't just a front end. This is a complete event booking web application. So turn AI into your paycheck. Welcome to Pro AI Income, where AI meets real profits. So yes, now Google AI Studio has become incredibly powerful. With the latest updates, it can generate complete websites, full-stack web applications, business platforms, dashboards, and much more from simple prompts. And today, we're going to use it to build a complete music festival event booking platform from scratch. Let's see what Google AI Studio can actually do. So if you think this will be useful for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's get started. So now I'm inside Google AI Studio. And for this project, I'm going to build a premium music festival website. The goal is to create something that feels like a real-world event brand with stunning visuals, immersive design, artist showcases, event schedules, ticket sections, venue information, parking details, galleries, countdown timers, and a complete festival experience. So I've prepared my prompt, and as you can see, it's quite detailed because I want the website to look polished, modern, and professional rather than feeling like a basic landing page. I'm asking Google AI Studio to create a California music festival website with a vibrant, dark theme, premium animations, modern typography, beautiful layouts, and a high-end concert aesthetic. So let's submit the prompt and see what Google AI Studio comes up with. One thing I really like here is that Google AI Studio doesn't immediately start building the website. This is the new feature. And as you can see, it has now generated several different design options. Each one has its own style, color palette, typography, layout system, and overall branding direction. This design immediately stands out, so I'm going to select it and continue. Once a design is selected, Google AI Studio starts applying that style across the entire website. I'll skip the waiting part here because it can take a little time depending on the complexity of the project. And there we go. The website is now ready. And here we are. Right from the homepage, you can immediately see the premium festival branding that Google AI Studio has created for us. The dark, synthwave-inspired design, vibrant neon gradients, glowing visual effects, modern typography, and smooth animations make it feel like a real commercial event website rather than a simple AI-generated project. The Hero section immediately grabs attention with this massive festival branding, immersive visual backgrounds, animated elements, and strong call-to-action sections. Everything feels polished and professionally designed. Scrolling down, we can see the countdown section. This is designed to build excitement around the event and create urgency for visitors. The timer is integrated beautifully into the design and fits naturally with the overall festival theme. One thing I really like is how Google AI Studio has maintained a consistent visual identity throughout the entire website. The colors, typography, animations, spacing, and card layouts all feel connected. Moving further down, we reach the artist lineup section. This is probably one of the most important sections for any music festival website. Here, visitors can explore all the featured artists, performers, and headline acts participating in the event. Each artist card has its own visual presentation, making the section feel dynamic and engaging rather than just displaying a simple list of names. And honestly, these cards look surprisingly premium. They feel very similar to what you would see on actual festival websites. Continuing down the page, we have the Event Schedule section. This gives visitors a clear overview of performances, timings, and different stages throughout the event. The information is organized in a clean and easy-to-read layout, making it simple for attendees to plan their day. Right below that, we have one of the most important areas of the website, the Tickets section. Google AI Studio has created multiple ticket tiers with beautiful pricing cards and clear visual hierarchy. Everything is presented in a way that immediately helps visitors understand the available ticket options. The design feels modern, clean, and conversion focused. Next, we have the venue and parking information section. This is another area that event websites often overlook, but here it's integrated directly into the experience. Visitors can quickly understand where the event is happening and access important logistical information without leaving the website. As we continue scrolling, we can also see additional sections, including galleries, sponsors, event information, and FAQs. These sections help make the website feel complete and provide visitors with all the information they might need before attending the event. What really stands out to me is the overall visual quality. The animations are smooth, the layout feels modern, the color palette is consistent, and the entire website feels like it belongs to a real-world music festival brand. Honestly, if someone showed me this website without telling me it was AI generated, I would probably assume it was designed by a professional web design team. And that's what makes projects like this so impressive. With a single prompt, Google AI Studio has managed to create a complete event website experience with strong branding, beautiful visuals, engaging layouts, and a very polished user experience. Now, honestly, the website already looks fantastic. The design is polished, the branding is strong, and the overall experience feels like a real music festival website. But there's one important thing missing right now. At the moment, this is primarily a front-end experience. So let's see what happens when we actually try booking a ticket. I'm going to scroll down to the ticket section and select one of the available ticket options. As you can see, the booking interface opens up and allows visitors to start the reservation process. The overall design looks great and the user experience feels smooth. However, if we think about a real-world event platform, we need much more than just a beautiful interface. We need proper user authentication, we need attendee management, we need ticket storage, booking records, and an admin panel where organizers can manage everything. Right now, even if someone books a ticket, there is no complete system behind it for managing users, storing attendee information, verifying identities, or tracking reservations. So let's fix that. I'm going back to Google AI Studio, and now I'm going to expand this project into a complete event booking platform. I'm asking Google AI Studio to add user authentication with email OTP verification, user registration, login and logout functionality, attendee management, booking storage, ticket records, user profiles, and a complete backend database. I'm also adding a requirement that every attendee must provide important information during ticket booking, including their full name, email address, phone number, and a government-issued ID card for verification purposes. This information should be securely stored inside the database and linked directly to the user's account and ticket booking. On top of that, I also want a professional admin dashboard. The admin panel should allow organizers to view all attendees, manage bookings, verify uploaded ID cards, approve registrations, track ticket sales, monitor event statistics, and manage the entire festival from a single interface. So I've added the new requirements, and let's see how Google AI Studio upgrades this project into a complete event booking platform. And now things get even more interesting because after adding the backend requirements, Google AI Studio didn't just create a few extra pages. It actually built a complete backend system for the application. Let me show you what I mean. Google AI Studio has created a browser-based storage system that automatically saves users' bookings, ticket information, schedules, and application data directly inside the browser. So even if I refresh the page, most of the information remains available and continues working just like a normal application. Now let's test the user flow. First, I'm going to click Sign In. As you can see, Google AI Studio has generated a complete authentication interface for us. For the demo version, I can simply enter an email address and instantly create a user account. And there we go. We're now logged into the platform. Next, users can access their profile and complete their verification information. Here, they can enter personal details and even upload a government-issued ID card for verification. Once submitted, the account moves into a pending review state, waiting for approval. Now let's test the ticket booking system. I'm going to select one of the ticket tiers and continue with the booking process. The platform allows users to select tickets, choose quantities, apply promotions, and complete the reservation flow. And once the booking is completed, a unique ticket record is generated automatically. What's nice is that the booking information is linked directly to the user account and stored inside the application's data system. So now let's switch over to the admin side, and this is where things become really impressive. Google AI Studio has generated a complete operations dashboard for festival management. Inside the admin panel, we can view registered users, review ticket purchases, manage attendee information, monitor verification requests, and oversee event operations from a single interface. There's even a dedicated compliance review section where administrators can review uploaded ID cards and approve or reject verification requests. We also have access to scheduling tools, attendee management systems, ticket statistics, and real-time event metrics. Honestly, for something generated automatically, this is surprisingly detailed. Google AI Studio didn't just create a website, it created an entire event management ecosystem around the website. And honestly, this is a complete workflow from start to finish. We have the landing page, we have user registration, we have ticket booking, we have attendee verification, we have ticket management, we have user profiles, we have admin management, and we even have data storage working inside the application. Now, one thing you might have noticed is that the admin panel is visible in the navigation menu. I've kept it visible only for demonstration purposes, so I can show you all the features inside this video. But in a real production deployment, I would simply hide this section from normal users and restrict access only to authorized administrators. That way, attendees would only see the public website, their account dashboard, and their ticket management pages, while organizers would have access to the back-end operations dashboard. And that's not even the end of it. Once your project is ready, you can generate the complete source code, export the files, and deploy the website online using platforms like GitHub and Netlify. Within just a few minutes, your website can be live and accessible to users around the world. You can even connect your own custom domain and turn it into a real business website. And if you want a mobile app version, you can generate the APK file and install it directly on your Android phone, something I've already shown multiple times in my previous Google AI Studio videos. So with a single project, you can have a website, a web app, and even a mobile application version of the same platform. And the best part is that you can build projects like this completely for free. Whether you're building something for yourself, for a client, for your business, or simply learning how modern AI development works, tools like Google AI Studio make the process incredibly fast and accessible. You can create websites, you can create web apps, you can create business platforms, and you can customize everything according to your own requirements. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And let me know in the comments what kind of website or app you want me to build next using Google AI Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.